All right, hey, Matty D here. So, common question: when should you, or when do you, or what is the appropriate time to use a credit repair service? And that, my friend, is anytime you feel something is going on with your credit and you are not too sure what it is, but you want to find out what's going on. That's one. If you're like, something's not right, I think stuff's on there from so and so time, that's one. Number two is when you know you have stuff on your file that shouldn't be on there, like fraud, collections, late payments, things like that. That's when you do it. And the question really should be is, when should one do credit repair? And that answer is now. Not tomorrow, not next month, not yesterday, because you can't go back in time, but right now. Okay, so that's another aspect I'll add to this. But the time to use it really depends on where you're at. So this is a general, very question. It just depends on who you are. But if you're like if you got an inkling that something shouldn't be on there, and not too sure what it is on each of the three bureaus, that's when to do it. Or when you've gone through stuff in life, divorce, lost a job, you were sick, COVID, economic depression, whatever it is, and you know stuff is on there that's negative, nasty, erroneous, outdated, and all that. That's the time to use a credit repair service. And if you're in those two scenarios, you start right away. Because credit takes time to destroy, and it takes time to build, and it takes time to rebuild. It is a long-term game, not a marathon. All right? So, with that being said, hope this helps. Short video with all that stuff going on. Any questions, do reach out to us. Give us a call at 703-232-1523, extension 2. Or, if you prefer, schedule a conversation with me at speakwithmatt.biz. Again, that's speakwithmatt.biz. Take care.